My man invented an app and he want to show you the app that he made. So stay here real quick. I'm about to go get him real quick and he about to come and show you the app that he made, and he wants y'all to go try out this app. And I'm about to put a live feedback button on there so y'all can give out real feedback, whether it's real, it's useful, or can it help. So hold on, my man about to come in right now. Yes, how you doing? My name is Daniel, and I created an app with AI to help people with credit repair. So let me show you. So here we go. Here's the tool right here. And we put our buy me a coffee in there so you can join our membership, our group, or all our free resources that we have. But this is the AI credit analyzer tool that you can upload your credit report to, and it automatically analyzes everything on your credit report and tells you everything about it based on consumer law. Let's use my credit report then, people. Let me show you. So boom, there you go. It's loading. I like the little bit of the setup of the loading thing that we created. Then begin AI analysis. Boom. Let's see how long it takes and what it's going to do in printout. And there we go. As you see, it gives you a full analysis with your name, how many accounts is on there, and price, how much, when it's open, dispute strength, the FCRA laws, the back data, the dates, and everything. After that, you can hit this button, boom, right? So it's going to give you generate a summary report that you could download, and then after that, you will be able to get a full dispute letter template package. The next two attributes and tools that we're integrating right now is track your disputes, which will be to add your certified mail, and then escalate enforce, which would be hooking up an AI agent to allow people to now automate the process, meaning that you can talk to it, tell it to now keep resending out these letters or regenerating new letters for previous issues. But this is the app that we made, guys. Go try it out or go hit that button up there for me. So that was my man's, that was me. I'm playing. But try the app out, people, and also book a consultation with our company where we can help people develop products and things like that for themselves. Stay tuned for more from Futuristic Digital Wealth Agency, our new startup tech company that will conglomerate all of this type of information and make it easier for people to adapt to and to produce. Thank you.